And this is what a MacD sell setup would look like at what we call negative MacD divergence. And of course, it's just the opposite as the buy that we just looked at. And here's the thing, very important. Price has to come up and hit a key level of resistance on a higher time frame chart. Very important. And then we get this negative divergence condition where we have from A up to B, we have new highs in price, but the corresponding peaks on the MacD are going lower. So we're comparing highs in price to the highs in the MacD. Okay, we have higher highs in price, but we have lower highs on the MacD. I've seen some people try to compare what's happening on other parts of the MacD. No, you want to look at the highs on the MacD compared to the highs in the price. Okay, price then needs to come down, retest the neckline, which is the lowest low between A and B, right down here. And again, I use the lowest closing body, but it may go below that. That's fine. Price then rallies up. You want to sell 62 to 79%. Again, if it's a smaller time frame chart like a 15, you could sell it at 62% if the stop loss above point B would result in a small amount of pips risk, like 20%, or pardon me, 20 pips or less. Or to keep it simple, just go for 79%. Nothing wrong with that. If it's a higher time frame chart, you might want to use the noble entry to keep the risk really nice and low on it. And for the profits, as price gets going down, same as always, look for the classics A, B, and C for sure. And in fact, even if you don't use those, at least use that concept to get the risk out of the trade. I mean, it's a great way to do it and works really, really well. Keeps it nice and simple. But beyond that, this low here at point C, when price comes down to retest that, I mean, we know this is support, right? It used to be support. Great place to take a profit right here. And beyond that, you can look for the 127% extension of the move from B down to C. 127% extension is another very, very good place to take profit. And of course, if the market environment is really suggesting a big move down, you can look at other levels of support to take profits that come off of higher time frame charts like the 1 hour or the 4 hour chart.